Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing one of the world's most beloved and versatile foods, olives. These tiny, delicious fruits are a staple in many kitchens and cuisines, and are known for their unique flavor and versatility in cooking. But, did you know that olives also offer a host of health benefits? In this video, we're going to talk about 6 reasons why you should start eating olives now for a healthier, happier you. Rich in antioxidants. Olives are packed with antioxidants that can help to protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as cancer and heart disease. Promotes healthy digestion. Olives are a good source of fiber, which can help to keep your digestive system running smoothly and reduce the risk of digestive problems. Lowers cholesterol. Olives are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which can help to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Good for the skin. Olives are a great source of vitamin E, which is essential for healthy skin. Vitamin E can help to prevent signs of aging, reduce the appearance of scars and blemishes, and promote healthy, glowing skin. Boosts brain function. Olives are rich in polyphenols, which are known to improve cognitive function and memory. Helps manage weight. Olives are low in calories and high in healthy fats, making them a great food for those looking to manage their weight. The healthy fats in olives can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer, reducing the temptation to overeat. So, there you have it. 6 reasons why you should start eating olives now for a healthier, happier you. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, add them to your salads or sandwiches, or cook with them, there are plenty of ways to incorporate olives into your diet. Remember, healthy eating is all about balance and variety. Incorporating olives into your diet is just one way to boost your well-being and enjoy the benefits of a healthy, balanced diet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy eating tips and wellness content.